Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make your X account private. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to make your X account private, you need to go to your settings. So once you are in your settings, you need to simply go and tap open privacy and safety. So once you have tapped open privacy and safety as well, simply go to audience and tagging. Then you can find your option called protect your post. Simply turn the toggle to the right hand side. This requires you to approve new followers and keep posts visible only to the current followers, adding an ad lock icon to your profile. So this way you can make your X account private. This will be an extra layer of protection, and you can just be safe from other users knowing and seeing your post. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.